Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will going to learn about taxonomical aids. Before going deep into this topic, let us understand what are taxonomical aids and why we need to study taxonomical aids. Let me begin. Taxonomical aids. Here aids means help. In the above context, taxonomical aids are collection of samples or preserved organisms which will going to help in classification of organisms into their respective taxonomic hierarchy. Let us take an example of cockroach. Let us assume we don't know the characteristics of cockroach. So we will catch a cockroach and we will study. Cockroach will have 6 legs, hexapods, the two jointed appendages, and they have flattened body and they have long antenna and they live in wet and moist environment. After studying these characters, we will get an idea that this particular organism belongs to phylum class Insecta, phylum Arthropoda and kingdom Animalia. So like this, taxonomical aids will going to helps in classification of organism into different or their respective taxonomic hierarchy. Here taxonomic hierarchy is, we had already learned that taxonomic hierarchy is a level of organization, like from species level to the kingdom level, that is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum to kingdom. In the case of plants, division to kingdom. This is the taxonomic hierarchy. So this is the taxonomic aids. Then why we need to study taxonomic aids? Because it helps in agriculture. How? So we will grow crops in different areas with a variety of crops. So many insects will be there which will going to attack the crops, which will eventually reduce the yield of a crop. So by studying this, we will understand what exactly this insect, so that we can counter attack by producing the insecticide. In forestry, in forest, maybe it may have medicinal value. It may be valued at billions of rupees, means crores of rupees. And in industry and in general, to know our bio resources and their diversity. This is the purpose of studying taxonomical aids. In that we will going to learn about so many taxonomical aids. First one is herbarium. So let us see what are herbarium. Herbarium are the storehouse of the plant specimens which are dried, pressed, preserved on sheets. Here sheets are called herbarium sheets. That means, let us take an example of, this is the sheet. The sheet is called herbarium sheet. Here we will going to preserve a specimen by drying, pressing and preserving on the sheets. This sheet is called herbarium sheet. So after doing this procedure, the sheets are arranged into universally accepted system of classification, and this sheet also contain label providing information about date and place of collection, in what date and in which place this particular specimen is collected, and then English, local and botanical names are written on that, so that we can easily identify by our local names also, in general English also, and in scientific terms also, and its family, that particular species family. And finally, on herbarium sheet we will come to see collector's name. It also contains collector's name, who collected this particular species. So this is the overall information about herbarium as a taxonomical aid. So once again I am repeating, herbarium are the storehouse of preserved plant specimens which are dried, pressed, preserved on sheets. That sheets are called herbarium sheets, and then sheets are arranged into universally accepted system of classification, and that sheet also contain label providing information about date and place of collection, and then English, local and botanical names and its family, and finally it also contain collector's name. I hope this topic conveyed to all of you. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you like this, please give me a like and share to the needy one. This is very important for Neet 2026. Thank you.